Prince Sterilization Services is proud to be a trusted partner to the pharmaceutical, medical device, and broader life sciences industries. A third-generation business built on quality, technical competence, and care, Prince delivers comprehensive contract sterilization services, ready-to-use components, and clean room packaging solutions, all from our FDA-registered, cGMP compliant, and ISO 13485 certified facilities. Prince's New Jersey campus spans over 100,000 square feet of GMP manufacturing, warehousing, and administrative space, equipped with full facility backup generators. Prince is an industry-leading provider of ready-to-use vials, stoppers, seals, and sterile components, serving sterile compound pharmacies, CMOs, pharmaceutical manufacturers, and diagnostic firms. Vials are WFI rinsed, depyrogenated, and terminally sterilized, and released with a certificate of analysis, certifying sterility, non-pyrogenic, and particulate compliance. Prince's RTU products come with a 34-month expiration, helping mitigate risks and offer peace of mind. Prince's outsourced sterilization program includes steam, dry heat, and low-temperature vaporized hydrogen peroxide. Built around these modalities, Prince is a leading provider of environmentally friendly, non-ETO sterilization solutions. Our expert team supports clients through every stage, from engineering and development to validation and commercial production. Each sterilization modality at Prince is backed by robust industry standards and regulatory guidance. Prince's steam sterilization program is fed with clean steam generated from WFI and supports the sterilization of a wide range of pharmaceutical components, aseptic tools, and medical devices. Prince also specializes in air overpressure terminal sterilization of finished drug products filled in their final container, such as vials, syringes, IV bags, and more. The Prince team's moist heat steam sterilization expertise expands further, offering customized cycles and approaches to accommodate temperature-sensitive formulations and packaging, helping more products reach market with greater sterility assurance. Prince's dry heat sterilization program is ideal for high heat-tolerant items like glassware, carboys, aseptic manufacturing equipment, and lab tools, whether for sterilization or depyrogenation. For a low-temperature option, Prince's deep vacuum vaporized hydrogen peroxide sterilization program offers robust sterilization assurance and quality, and broad material and device compatibility. Orthopedic implants, cartridges, pre-filled syringes, and many other medical devices, all sterilized with safety and sustainability in mind. With no harmful residues or toxic emissions, Prince's robust sterilization program aligns with industry initiatives focused around safety and environmental sustainability. Prince can also support your aseptic and clean room packaging needs. From kitting and assembly to pouching and packouts, our skilled team and state-of-the-art facilities are ready to handle your most critical pharmaceutical and medical device projects. And behind it all, water for injection. Each manufacturing facility at Prince produces USP-compliant WFI that feeds our vial washers, stopper washers, parts washers, and steam sterilizers, ensuring those critical product contact components are processed with the purest pharmaceutical-grade utilities available. Sterile pharmaceuticals and medical devices demand the highest level of quality, precision, and expertise. At Prince, this is our everyday standard. Trusted by healthcare stakeholders around the globe, we are proud to play a role in protecting patients and advancing life-saving innovations. Prince Sterilization Services, committed to quality, powered by experience, and ready to serve your most critical needs. Let's build something safe, sterile, and extraordinary together.